I'm Emily from the teen department at the Pulaski County Public Library, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make some Hocus Pocus keychains. You can do these anyway, but the way I'm going to show you guys how to make them is by using this little round circle here. You can get these off of Amazon. I think I just searched round acrylic keychain circles or something like that, and you can get like a whole bunch of them for pretty inexpensive. You'll need just different color of yarn. Now to put the Hocus Pocus heads on here, you can either get markers that you're able to write on any surface with, but I have a Cricut machine here. So I decided to go ahead and print out a little vinyl sticker that I'm going to be able to stick on there, and then I'll show you guys how we make our tassels. So getting started, we're just going to take this little circle here, and I went ahead, if you can tell, I went ahead and done the little decal, and I kind of went ahead and traced my circle too. So whenever I pull this off, all I have to do is kind of line it up. So let's make sure that this is all stuck on here. Just like so. I'm just going to I may even turn it over because sometimes that's easier. And just lay this on here. So once I get this, I'm going to take a scraper. And that's the cool thing about a Cricut. It does all the hard cutting and all that work and stuff for you. So right there is my little keychain. Now we're going to make, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, now we're going to make a tassel. So you can choose whatever colors you want, and I found the best way to do this. I'm just going to pull out a few of these and I'm just going to take it. Now depending on how long you want to make it, that's up to you, but I'm just kind of wrapping this in a circle, and however thick you want it, it depends how many times you're gonna go around. So for the sake of the video, we'll stop right there. So I have my string here, and I'm gonna cut me another little piece. It doesn't have to be very long. And I'm gonna kind of fold this in the middle and tie this in the middle. So it's gonna kind of look like that, and just double knot it. Just super simple. Now, you could go back in with the black, or you can take a different color. I'm actually going to take some green here, and you don't have to have too long of a piece. But I'm going to show you how I kind of make a little topper at the end of this tassel. So I'm just going to take my green yarn. I'm going to kind of make a little loop here. I have my loop like this. Let's see if you guys can see that. Okay. And I'm just going to hold that in place, and I'm going to start wrapping my green around it. Let me get a few around it, and I'll kind of show you guys what it looks like. Now, the whole time that you're doing it, you want to make sure that the little green top, the little piece is at the top, and then the loop still shows at the bottom, because we will use both of those. So I'm just going to go around this just a few times. Then I'm going to take this, and I'm going to put this end through the loop. Just like so. Get my fingers to work here. And then, to tighten it up, I'm going to grab this little piece right here. And I'm just going to pull both of these. It's really tight. Okay. So, I'm just going to cut these extra little green pieces. We don't need those anymore. Now, depending on however long you want your tassels to be, I'm just going to cut mine about right here. Just kind of even them up. You can go back in there and make sure that they're even. And then I'm just going to take and tie another knot. I'm going to keep my finger in here like this and just do a double knot. And this will be like what we use to hold it onto the keychain. So then I'm just going to cut the excess off like so. Now I already have one over here. So I actually took a key ring, and I just put my little tassel through it. And so if I can get my fingernails to do this, this is the hardest part of it all. Let me try it with this one. I'm going to put my key ring on here. There we go. So then your keychain looks something like this. So if you're a fan of Hocus Pocus like I am, I'm sure that you guys will enjoy this. I hope that you're able to try these at home, and I will see you all next time. Bye.